Homeowners in Deltona are increasingly choosing to invest in new windows, and for good reason. Whether for energy efficiency, home security, or improving overall home value, replacing outdated windows provides a variety of benefits. If you're considering home upgrades, here's why new windows should be at the top of your list. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Deltona are replacing old windows is to improve their home's energy efficiency. Older windows often have poor insulation, leading to air leaks that make heating and cooling systems work harder. This results in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable indoor environment. New, energy-efficient windows offer features such as double or triple pane glass for better insulation, low E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon or krypton gas fills between panes to improve thermal performance, weather-stripped frames to eliminate drafts. By installing modern, energy-efficient windows, Deltona homeowners reduce their energy consumption and save money on utility bills year-round. Increased home value and curb appeal. Replacing outdated windows is one of the best investments you can make in your home. Not only does it enhance curb appeal, but it also increases property value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, new windows can be a major selling point for potential buyers. Some popular window styles that improve aesthetics and functionality include double-hung windows for a classic, elegant look, casement windows for better airflow and modern appeal, sliding windows for easy operation and panoramic views, bay or bow windows to add charm and natural light. New windows improve the exterior look of your home, making it more attractive and increasing its market value. Enhanced home security. Older windows can be a security risk due to weak frames and outdated locking mechanisms. New windows are designed with advanced security features to help keep your home safe, including reinforced frames for added strength, multi-point locking systems to prevent forced entry, tempered or laminated glass that's harder to break. By upgrading to secure, impact-resistant windows, Deltona homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their homes are better protected. Protection against harsh weather conditions. Florida is known for its unpredictable weather, including hurricanes and heavy storms. Impact-resistant and storm-rated windows help protect your home from extreme conditions by offering hurricane-resistant glass to withstand high winds and flying debris, sealed frames that prevent water leaks and moisture damage, durable materials that resist warping, cracking, and rotting. For homeowners in Deltona, storm-resistant windows provide added security and protection, reducing the risk of costly storm damage. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. Living near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas can mean dealing with excessive noise. New soundproof windows help create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment by reducing outside noise. Features that help block sound include double or triple pane glass to absorb noise vibrations, insulated window frames that prevent sound penetration, sealed edges to eliminate noise leaks. With noise-reducing windows, homeowners in Deltona can enjoy a more peaceful home environment without distractions from outside disturbances. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Older windows often require constant maintenance, such as repainting, sealing, and repairing rot or cracks. Modern windows are designed with durability in mind, using materials that require minimal upkeep. Popular low-maintenance window materials include vinyl windows, which resist moisture and don't need repainting. Fiberglass windows, known for their longevity and durability. Aluminum windows, which are lightweight and rust-resistant. By upgrading to low-maintenance windows, homeowners can enjoy a beautiful home without the hassle of constant repairs. More natural light and better indoor comfort. New window designs allow for more natural light while maintaining energy efficiency. Many Deltona homeowners choose larger windows to create a brighter, more inviting indoor space. Some window options that maximize natural light include picture windows for stunning outdoor views, sliding glass doors that blend indoor and outdoor spaces, bay or bow windows for an elegant and airy feel. New windows also come with UV blocking coatings, which help protect furniture and flooring from sun damage. Is it time to upgrade your windows? If your windows are drafty, difficult to open, or outdated, now is the perfect time to invest in new ones. Homeowners in Deltona are choosing energy-efficient, secure, and storm-resistant windows for lower energy bills, enhanced safety, and increased home value. Upgrading your windows is more than just a cosmetic change. It's a long-term investment in your home's comfort and efficiency. If you're ready to replace your windows, consult with a trusted window installation expert in Deltona to find the best solutions for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient living space for years to come.